All right, so are you ready to dive deep into this Vantage Global Limited's ultimate Trading Royale Forex trading competition? Think you got what it takes to win some cash? Well, we've got this intel pack straight from buystocks.ai, and don't forget to check out Enda's partner sign-up link in the description. That way you can join the competition.
Well, it's a two-stage event. The first stage is what they call the Trading Challenge, and that runs from February 1st to the 28th, 2025. And get this, anyone with a qualifying Vantage account is automatically in. No opting in or anything.
So everyone's just automatically in. Sounds pretty easy.
Yeah, right.
What's the catch?
Well, the catch is that it's not about individual gain. This first stage is about a collective effort to build up the prize pool for the second stage.
Okay, so the more everyone trades, the bigger the pot gets for the individual competition later on.
Exactly.
Gotcha. So like a rising tide lifts all boats kind of thing, at least for the first round, right?
Yep.
What are we talking about in terms of this prize pool? How big can it get?
Well, it's a tiered structure based on the total trading volume. If participants can hit a combined 20 million in notional trading volume, they unlock a $1,000 prize pool.
Right.
If they can hit 100 million, it bumps up to $5,000. And if they hit a whopping 200 million, we're talking a $10,000 prize pool.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
And that's everyone contributing to that, just trading as they normally would. But then stage 2, right, the trading contest, that's where it gets down to the nitty-gritty.
That's where the real competition kicks in. This runs from March 10th to April 9th, 2025. But here's the thing, you actually have to opt in to participate. You got to do it through the client portal or the Vantage app.
So you got to actually choose to compete for the prizes this time. So what are the stakes and how do you win?
The winner is determined by whoever achieves the highest profit percentage during that contest period.
Okay, so it's not just about making the most money.
No.
It's about maximizing your returns relative to your starting capital.
Exactly.
So a smaller account that makes a 50% gain could actually beat out a larger account with a 20% gain.
Yeah, precisely. And it's also important to note that both realized and floating gains are factored into that profit percentage.
Okay.
Or losses, of course. But things like trading bonuses, those don't factor in.
So they're really looking at the core trading performance.
Yep.
So what about the prize breakdown for the winners?
So the top 3 traders, they split that prize pool that we built in stage 1. 60% goes to first place, 30% to second, and 10% to third.
When do they get their hands on that prize money?
Vantage deposits it directly into their trading accounts within 15 business days after the contest ends on April 9th.
But who exactly can participate in this ultimate trading royale?
Well, in terms of account types, you need either an STP, ECN, or perpetual trading account with Vantage. And there's one more key requirement. You have to have been referred to Vantage by an introducing broker.
And are there any geographical limitations?
Yes, absolutely. There are some country and region restrictions based on local regulations, so anyone who's interested should definitely check the details on Vantage's website.
Anything else?
Yeah, let's get into some of the finer points, just to be thorough. For example, the profit percentage calculation, it's a little more nuanced than it seems. It actually factors in withdrawals and deposits made after you register.
So you can't just try to game the system with some clever accounting tricks.
No, not at all.
Gotcha.
And speaking of playing fair, Vantage is very clear that they have zero tolerance for any attempts to cheat or manipulate the competition.
Of course, yeah. That's pretty standard.
Yeah, it's standard practice. Make sure there's a level playing field for everyone involved.
Okay, good. And if you do decide to join the competition, don't forget to check out Enda's partner sign-up link down in the description.